What is going on, YouTube? This is Random Topics with Humor here today, and today we are going to teach you how to know if whether or not milk is expired. Okay, so for those who are new to you're getting into your own home for the first time, or you're living on your own for the first time, and you want to know how to make sure your milk is okay to your milk is okay. Bottom line, you want to know if your milk is okay to drink. So what you have to do is first, I would recommend smelling it. If it smells like an acid, if it smells acidic, if it smells sour, now that's a sign it's not really safe to drink it. Now, first the smell. First, it should affect the smell of the milk, and then it should affect the taste. This is what a lot of internet sites don't tell you. They'll either say if it smells bad, don't drink it, or if it tastes bad, don't drink it. But first, the smell is what. First, the smell is what. First, the smell is what is going to affect it. So after the smell, then the taste is going to slowly start tasting acidic, sour, not good. And see what happens is bacteria can grow in the milk at that point, and that's why it starts smelling that way. And it can be harmful, and you can get food poisoning. This can be serious if you have not had food poisoning. It is not fun. But anyway, so basically, yeah. So this milk right here, it smells bad, but it doesn't necessarily taste bad. I'm drinking some or using some with this cereal right now, as you guys see, and so basically, the milk tastes like very slightly sour. Now at this point, it's not really safe to have it. I'm having it. Yes, you should not do what I'm doing, but because I have a stomach of steel, I can handle almost anything. But that's just me. And honestly, it's still not a good idea. It's still not smart to do. I just really wanted Wheaties this morning, and I still had a lot of milk left, which is unfortunate. But anyways, so that pretty much wraps it up. It's really not that hard to tell if your milk is spoiled. Just smell it, and you should be able to smell the difference. Smell your milk right when you buy it. Now, some people say 5 days after the expiration date is okay to keep it, but no, if the milk starts smelling bad, tasting bad, you want to throw it out first. And remember, it will start smelling bad first, it will start smelling sour, and then it will start tasting sour, which is even worse. So still, the fact that it's smelling sour is a sign you should not be drinking it, and that is how you know if your milk is expired. So now some people call it sour milk, some people call it expired milk, and it doesn't matter about that. What matters is you want to be drinking good milk, not expired milk. But anyways, we hope you guys found this helpful. Leave a like if you did, and yes, have a great day or night, and happy milk drinking.